Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Apple Mac Mini. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, online ratings, and early user feedback, and I'm going to break down whether this mini desktop computer is actually worth buying or not. Check out the link below for the best price. What makes the Apple Mac Mini worth every penny is the performance it delivers relative to its size and price. No other desktop at this price point puts a chip this capable into a package this small, and the gap between what the M4 delivers and what similarly priced Windows Mini PCs offer is substantial enough to justify the conversation every time. The M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU is the reason this machine punches so far above its footprint. Apple Silicon integrates the processor, graphics, and memory onto a single unified architecture that moves data between components without the latency bottlenecks traditional designs create. Everything from opening applications to exporting files to switching between demanding workloads feels immediate rather than making you wait. The 16 gigabytes of unified memory works differently from standard RAM configurations. Because it is shared intelligently across the CPU and GPU simultaneously, applications access memory resources dynamically based on what they actually need rather than competing for separate fixed pools. In practice, that means creative workloads, productivity multitasking, and background processes coexist without fighting each other for headroom. The 512GB SSD keeps the storage performance in line with the rest of the system. Fast boot times, quick application launches, and snappy file transfers across daily use all come from SSD speeds that match what the M4 can actually process. Paired with the unified memory architecture, the overall system responsiveness is something you notice immediately coming from a hard drive or budget SSD-based machine. Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, and the full Mac software library run natively on Apple Silicon without any emulation layer slowing things down. According to reviews and user discussions, creative professionals switching from older Intel Macs report dramatically faster render and export times on the M4, often finishing tasks in half the time they previously expected. Apple Intelligence runs entirely on device, which means the AI-powered writing tools, image features, and system-wide smart functions process locally without sending data to external servers. That on-device approach delivers AI capability with privacy intact, and the M4 neural engine has the dedicated processing power to handle it without impacting system performance during other tasks. The front-facing USB-C ports and headphone jack are a first for the Mac Mini and address one of the longest-standing practical frustrations with the design. Plugging in a drive, connecting a peripheral, or using wired headphones no longer means reaching around to the back of the unit every single time. Thunderbolt and HDMI ports on the rear handle display and high-speed connections, while the front ports cover daily quick connections naturally. iPhone mirroring, universal clipboard, and seamless messages and FaceTime integration across Mac and iPhone remove friction from workflows that regularly move between devices. For anyone already running an iPhone, these features work immediately without any setup beyond being signed into the same Apple account. This machine suits home office professionals, students, creative workers, and anyone building a capable desktop setup without wanting bulk or noise on the desk. It pairs with any monitor and disappears into the workspace while delivering performance that larger machines struggle to match at this price. Honestly, for the price, this one punches well above its weight. If a fast, quiet, and compact desktop that works brilliantly with your iPhone matters to you, the Mac Mini is an easy recommendation. Check out the link below for the latest deals and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews coming soon.